Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. First off, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers and all of your support. In order to celebrate 100 subscribers, I'll be making a rainbow clear slime that says 100 on it. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you would also like to receive a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillFicationSquad, and you will receive a shoutout. So, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So to make the base of the rainbow clear slime, I'm just adding in some clear glue and activating the slime with a borax activator of half a teaspoon of borax dissolved in a cup of hot water. Then it took the slime 4 days to clear up, and here it is. The slime was a little sticky because I let it sit for 4 days. So now I'm dividing the slime into 6 equal parts to dye each one the colors of the rainbow. So now I'm dyeing the first piece red. So now I'm going to place each color into the container to assemble a rainbow order. This was pretty challenging because the slimes had melted when I added the food coloring, so they were pretty sticky. Also, I had to push the slimes into the edge so that I could fit all the colors. So this is how the slime looked after I assembled all the colors. The slime looked super beautiful with the ombre and all the colors. They blended in really well. So off camera, I made this white cloud cream slime, which is basically a thick cloud slime. So out of this cloud slime, I'm going to form a 1 and 2 zeros. So here I'm just rolling out the slime and shaping the numbers. I decided to not put the numbers right on the slime so that I could fix the numbers while they were on my desk. And now I am placing the numbers onto the slime. The slime looked really good and it turned out better than I expected it to. I really didn't want to ruin the slime, but I knew it had to be done, so here we go. Comment down below what color you think the slime will turn into when all the colors are mixed. I tried to take out the slime so that I wouldn't ruin the rainbow. I absolutely love the marble effect that the slime had, with the white and the rainbow colors. I think this would be a fun DIY to make with your friends. After all the colors were fully mixed, the slime turned into this grayish green color. Did you guess correctly? Once the slimes were mixed together, the slime got this really thick texture. So that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Once again, thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Now I'm gonna let you guys listen to this mini ASMR. Bye!